Cats often display a range of behaviors that puzzle their owners, and one of the most common and endearing is their tendency to sleep on their owner's chest. For many, this behavior might seem odd, given that cats have plenty of other comfortable places to rest in the house, but there is a variety of reasons behind this preference. The act of curling up on a human's chest is not just about seeking a soft spot to nap, it is deeply rooted in both instinctual and emotional needs. Understanding why cats love to sleep on their owner's chest requires looking at a combination of warmth, security, affection, and their deep bond with humans. One of the primary reasons cats gravitate to their owner's chest is warmth. Cats are known for seeking out the warmest spots in the house, and the human body, especially the chest area, provides a reliable source of heat. The human body constantly generates warmth, and the area around the chest is particularly warm due to the proximity to the heart and lungs. In colder environments, this warmth becomes even more inviting for cats, who love to find cozy spots to rest. Furthermore, cats are known for being highly sensitive to temperature. Their bodies have evolved to prefer warmer environments, especially when resting or sleeping. The human chest provides an ideal temperature for cats to relax in, and the soft, steady heat creates a comforting space for them. Cats instinctively seek out warm places that mimic the warmth they would experience when curled up with their mother or siblings in their early days of life. Another reason cats sleep on their owner's chest is for the sense of security it provides. Cats are naturally cautious animals, and they are often aware of their surroundings, constantly alert to potential threats. In the wild, cats seek safe, sheltered spaces to rest, and domestic cats retain this instinct. By curling up on their owner's chest, cats find a sense of safety. They know they are in a position where they can relax while still being near someone they trust. The proximity to their owner's heartbeat and breathing may also provide a calming effect. The rhythm of a human's heartbeat can act as a reassuring presence, creating a sense of comfort and peace. For cats, the sound of their owner's heartbeat may be reminiscent of the sound they heard as kittens when resting against their mother, adding an element of familiarity and safety. Cats may also sleep on their owner's chest as a way of expressing affection and reinforcing their bond. Just like many animals, cats use physical closeness as a way to strengthen their emotional connection. By curling up on their owner's chest, cats demonstrate trust and affection. They feel comfortable enough to rest in such a vulnerable position because they trust their human, and the physical closeness is a way to reinforce the bond between them. For many cats, spending time on their owner's chest is a form of seeking companionship and comfort. Cats are social animals, and even though they are often independent and enjoy their alone time, they still value the presence of their human companions. The chest is a particularly intimate place, and by choosing to sleep there, cats show that they want to be near their human, seeking companionship and warmth both physically and emotionally. In addition to physical closeness, cats often exhibit behaviors such as kneading, purring, and even licking when they feel particularly affectionate. These behaviors are instinctive and are often seen when cats are in a relaxed, secure environment. Kneading, in particular, is a behavior that originates from kittenhood when they would knead their mother's belly while nursing. When adult cats knead on their owner's chest, it is a sign that they are comfortable, relaxed, and seeking emotional closeness. The steady rhythm of a human's heartbeat is another factor that draws cats to the chest. Cats have an acute sense of hearing, and the gentle, rhythmic sound of a heartbeat can have a calming effect on them. The sound is consistent and soothing, which can help a cat feel more relaxed and secure. In addition to the heartbeat, the act of breathing can be another comforting sound for cats. The even rise and fall of the chest may mimic the peaceful rhythm that a cat experienced as a kitten when resting against its mother's body. For many cats, these sounds are not just comforting, they provide a sense of continuity and stability. When a cat is lying on its owner's chest, the sounds of the heartbeat and breathing can help the cat feel at ease, as though everything is right in its world. This soothing effect can be especially significant for cats that are anxious or stressed, as the rhythm of the heartbeat offers a sense of tranquility. In addition to seeking warmth and comfort, cats may also sleep on their owner's chest as part of their natural territorial instincts. Cats are territorial animals, and they often mark their territory by rubbing their face and body against objects, including their human companions. When a cat sleeps on its owner's chest, it may be reinforcing its bond and claiming its territory. This behavior is a way of marking its human as part of its territory, as it associates the person with safety and comfort. Moreover, by choosing such an intimate and close space to sleep, the cat may feel a sense of protection. Cats are naturally vigilant and often prefer elevated spots where they can observe their surroundings. By resting on their owner's chest, they are both physically elevated and in a position where they feel secure from potential threats. This behavior reflects a cat's instinct to stay alert while also enjoying the warmth and comfort of its human companion. The desire to sleep close to a human's chest can also be traced back to early kittenhood experiences. Kittens instinctively seek out their mother's warmth and comfort, often sleeping in a pile with their siblings. The chest of their mother provides both warmth and security, along with the soothing sound of her heartbeat. As adult cats, they retain this instinct, and they may seek out similar sensations by curling up on their owner's chest. The familiarity of the warmth and sound of a heartbeat may evoke feelings of comfort and safety, even in adulthood. This behavior may be particularly noticeable in young cats or newly adopted cats who are still adjusting to their new home. For these cats, sleeping on their owner's chest may be a way to seek reassurance and stability as they settle into their new environment. Cats are creatures of habit, and once they become accustomed to a routine, they often prefer to stick to it. If a cat regularly sleeps on its owner's chest, it may simply be a matter of preference or habit. Cats enjoy routine, and they often choose familiar resting spots that offer the comfort and security they need. For some cats, the chest becomes a favorite resting place simply because they associate it with a sense of comfort, warmth, and emotional connection. In households where the cat and owner have developed a strong bond, the cat may choose to sleep on the chest because it is a familiar and consistent spot. Over time, this behavior may become ingrained as part of the cat's daily routine. There are several reasons why cats love to sleep on their owner's chest, many of which are rooted in instinct, comfort, security, and affection. Cats are drawn to the warmth and soothing sounds of their owner's body, which provide a sense of safety and relaxation. They seek out physical closeness as a way to strengthen their bond and express affection. Additionally, the chest area offers a secure and elevated space where cats can feel protected while staying close to their human companions. This behavior is a reflection of the deep emotional connection between cats and their owners, and it highlights the cat's instinctive need for warmth, security, and companionship. Whether it's for warmth, bonding, or simply seeking a comforting spot, a cat sleeping on its owner's chest is a sign of trust, love, and affection.